There is somebody you need to make up your mind about. Like, are you going to cut them off, or are you going to allow this person to be in your life? And the reason why this is coming out, I feel, is because whoever this individual is, they are keeping tabs on you heavily. All right. The energy I'm picking up on is that this person was sent in your life to replace your blessings. All right, I don't want you to let that go over your head. All right, somebody was sent in your life to replace your blessings. So you're going to have to choose between a person and the blessings that God has for you. I just saw a bird fly by my window, so that has to be confirmation for somebody right now. Okay, you could be somewhere where you see a lot of crows or something like that, or like red birds, blue birds. It doesn't matter. Birds may be of significance. All right, maybe this person is a bird. They could, run their mouth a lot, or this is somebody that talks too much, or maybe this person is trying to come to you with some sort of information or a message or something like that. I'm seeing like a stork. All right, but this person watches you heavily. They could watch you on social media. All right, this reading has to be for somebody that can't decide of whether they should really cut somebody off or not, or give them another chance, or whatever the case may be. Okay, so I feel like somebody was sent in your life to replace your blessings. All right, this person may shower you with fake love, or they could try to like spoil you with money and stuff like that. All right, but this person can't give you what God can give you. Okay, this person can't give you what God can give you. Like, in order for you to get or receive what God is trying to give you, the blessings that God is trying to bestow upon you, you have to be in hermit mode. Now, this could be more than one person that you need to cut off, or decide if you're really done with them or not. Okay, because the universe is going to continue to put these blessings on hold unless you make up your mind. All right, it's somebody or some people that do not belong in your life. They are not gonna be able to have access to your blessings. Okay, you won't have access to them if you continue to allow, like, if you're not able to make up your mind about somebody. Okay, because I feel like this reading is for somebody that maybe feels bad about cutting somebody off, but somebody is not who you think they are. They're not who you think they are. This person is purposely trying to block things for you simply by just being in your life. And they're very slick with it too. They're making it seem like they want to like invest in the future with you. They want to be with you long term, or whatever the case may be. They're making you all these promises, you know what I'm saying? But they can't really do anything for you. Make sure that you go to part 2.